At number 5 is the beautiful crisp white collar long sleeve shirt. This is an absolute essential in any woman's capsule wardrobe. When it comes to dressing up and dressing down, this is one of the key versatile pieces in any closet. Now, I'll give you some examples. I often say a suit, but when I say a suit, it doesn't have to be a matching suit for the corporate environment. A suit can be a beautiful blazer with a matching color trousers, with a crisp, beautiful collar underneath, with the cuffs showing or maybe not showing. But the collar shirt is something that I don't think I've had, I have not been without one for over 20 years, for a long time. And as soon as your white t-shirt and your white cami and your white collar shirt start getting well worn and faded, they need to go. You need to be ruthless with quality. You'll find that you spend less time and less money if you buy good quality items, because they will last you longer. The white collar shirt, for example, can also be worn nicely tucked into a pair of bootleg jeans with some wedges or some heels, even some flat sandals if you're not crazy about shoes, and we're going to get there in terms of what your options are, with a nice belt, your tote or your day bag, and off you go with your beautiful sunglasses to have lunch with your girlfriend. But when it comes to choosing collars and choosing cuffs, keep it simple to start with. You can always add on to your collection of white collar shirts as you go and as you grow in confidence. But that's number 5, is the white collar long sleeve shirt.